Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to recover your Locket account without losing photos. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Locket application. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. Also, if you want to have the widget, you can go and see our separate video on our YouTube channel where you can see how you can set up the widget and have it like I have in the top left corner. But now let's see how you can actually recover your Locket account without losing photos. So if you're trying to recover your Locket account without losing photos, the most important thing is not to delete your account. Deleting your account permanently removes all associated data, including your memories, and they cannot be restored. To recover your account safely, open the Locket app and tap Login, and sign using the same phone number or email address you originally used to create your account. So just go and do the process again. If you forgot the password, tap Forgot Password and follow the prompts to reset it. If after signing in successfully, swipe to Memories tab to verify your photos are still there. If you cannot access your old phone number or email, unfortunately, Locket states that it cannot recover your account for security reasons. In that case, you'll need to create a new account and your previous photos won't be recoverable. And that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.